If you're looking for the best cookware to use on your smooth top electric range, then I've got the pan for you. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, we're looking at one of the best cookware solutions to use on smooth top stoves. The Curtis Stone Special Edition Dura Diamond 14-inch deep multi-purpose pan. I actually purchased this pan either on Black Friday or Cyber Monday. I'm not sure which one, but it was during the Christmas holiday shopping season. And I didn't want to do the review then because I wanted to work with the pan enough so that I could give you an honest opinion. Now I've cooked with it multiple times and I'm ready to tell you what I think. But let's take a look at the unboxing first and then we'll get into the review. And the last thing I want to show you is this. It is the Curtis Stone Everyday. Well, it took me a minute to get that open. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Anyway, I was walking through the family room and my husband was watching HSN, and this guy, Curtis Stone, was on there showing his cookware. And we just got a new stove, and I had said to him, we're going to have to get new cookware because we had an electric range before that had the burners that sit on top. Well, now we've got one of those ceramic cooktops, and the burner is underneath, or the heating element is underneath, and so the top is very flat. Well, over time, the cookware that we currently have, the bottom is all warped, they don't sit flat, so some of them, and particularly the fry pans that you use every day, the bottoms are not flat, so they just don't work at all. So I thought, perfect opportunity to order something new. So there's the bill. They certainly have it packaged very nicely. Got a huge lid that comes with it, and I like these kind of lids. They've got like a little vent here in the top of it and a nice handle. A Dura Diamond Premium Non-Stick Finish, and the reason why it caught my eye and why I wanted to order it was because the food that he was making, he just tipped the pot up like that, or the pan I should say, and the food just slid right out. I thought, now that's what I'm talking about. My husband likes to fry a lot of fish. He likes to really cook fish very interesting ways. He'll try new things, and so I thought this could be perfect for that too if he wants to do something interesting. And then of course, it's got a nice flat bottom. So I'm really looking forward to using this. Isn't this adorable? Look at the bag. I love this. And this is how it looks. This is my special edition Dura Diamond Premium Non-Stick 14-inch multi-purpose pan by Curtis Stone. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? Just look at this. Now there's a lot to like about this pan. First of all, it's lightweight. And then it's got these two handles on the side for ease of handling. I love the feel of the interior. It's smooth but slightly grainy, so when you're done cooking, the food can just slip right out of the pan. And it's a good size, so if I'm frying or sauteing, I can fill the pan with food but not feel like I'm crowding the pan, so the food can cook evenly and it reduces the cook time. I love that it has its lid with a vent – and that the lid just sits so nicely down into the pan. And then the knob on the lid is large enough that you can grasp it without difficulty. Or if the lid is too hot to handle, you can grab it with an oven mitt. So I really like that particular feature because the last thing you want to do is drop the lid, particularly if you've got a pan of hot food. The sides of the pan are sloped or angled just a bit so that if I'm sauteing or moving food around in the pan, it stays in the pan. It doesn't flip out on the cooktop. And the biggest attraction is this. It's got a smooth bottom. There's no ridges, so I don't have to worry about it scratching the surface of my new smooth top electric range. And the pan is specially designed for even heat distribution, so that helps reduce cooking time as well. I mean, I have to say, I am really loving this pan. When we got our new stove, one of the things that I noticed right away was that my cast iron skillets were putting marks on my new smooth top. And then the pans that we had, the fry pans that we had, the bottoms were warped, they wouldn't sit flat. So I knew right away that I needed some new cookware. And with this, I don't have to worry about it marring my new smooth cooktop. Now, what do I use it for? My husband uses it to fry his fish. I use it for just about everything, from bacon to chicken marsala to shrimp for shrimp and grits. It's a great multi-surface pan. You can really do some healthy cooking with this pan because the DuraPan non-stick technology allows for less oil or no oil in cooking. So when I'm trying to do something heart healthy, it just works. Okay, let's talk about do's and don'ts. Do use wooden or heat-resistant silicone type utensils when cooking in this pan. Don't use metal utensils because they could scratch the pan's interior. Do hand wash it with warm soapy water and a sponge. Dry it out with a dish towel, paying particular attention to all the little places where water might collect. Don't put it in the dishwasher. Don't use harsh abrasive cleansers or scouring pads because these might damage the non-stick interior. So if you're looking for the best cookware solution for your smooth top stove, then try the Curtis Stone 14-inch deep multi-purpose pan. I'm sure you'll love it as much as I do. So here's a question for you. What was the most interesting feature about the Curtis Stone 14-inch deep multi-purpose pan? For me, it was the fact that it had a flat bottom and I didn't have to worry about it marring my new smooth top stove. I found a lot to love about it since I got it, but I ordered it out of concern for my new smooth top stove. What would be the most interesting feature for you? Tell me about it in the comments section below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up by hitting that like button. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children and I've managed a home for more than 45 years. That means I've cooked a lot of meals, I've done a lot of laundry, and I have kissed a lot of boo-boos. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, and health and beauty, then subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.